Hello everyone. In the last video I show you how to install the data analysis toolpack. Now in this video I'll show you how to draw a chart. So I have some data here. I have the data of the political party and their frequency. So there's three political party: Republican, Democrat and Independent. So what I need to do, I need to select the data and go to insert. So if you don't know which chart you should select, then you can select the recommended charts. So if you select on the recommended charts, it will provide you the recommendations. So I'll go with the first option, bar chart. Click OK. So if you click OK, then it will give you the chart here. So what you need to do, you need to adjust the chart a bit. You click on the plus sign here, click on the plus sign, then click on the second one, axis titles. If you click on the axis titles, now I need to adjust the titles here. So left side is the frequency. You write the frequency here. So I've written the frequency here. And this one is the political party. And your chart title should be political party affiliation. Now you're done with the chart. Now, if you want to put the frequency inside your bar, then what you can do, you can click on plus, then click on the data levels. So if you click on the data levels, it will show you the frequency here, 8, 6 and 11. Now, if you want the frequency inside the bar, then you can click on the arrow here, and then you can put center or like inside end. So I just select inside end. Now, this is the bar chart for you. So this is the political party affiliation, and then you have three parties: Republican, Democrat and then Independent, and you have the frequency here. You can bold this one by clicking on Ctrl B. That's it. Thanks for watching.